Good afternoon, dear students. As we discussed in our earlier class regarding the importance of the sustainable and green manufacturing, then now we'll continue. And here, just I would like to brief about why we should practice the green manufacturing. What are the reason behind that? As you know, that manufacturing plays a significant role to generate employment, comforts, and wealth of the nations since industrial revolution. This is the one side of the manufacturing practices, and other side is hidden. And then now I will try to open the curtains of the hidden things. What is the behind that, and why the importance of the green? Why we should practice? As per the United Nations, if the global population reaches the figure of 9.6 billion by 2050, we will need 3 Earths to sustain certain lifestyle for everyone. Think about that. Now we are at 2022. After 28 years, what will happen? The population of the world will reach at the level of 9.6 billion. Then, to sustain similar kind of the lifestyle what we are living now, then we will need three equal earths. Is it possible? How we can create a earth? Never ever. Then what should be the solution? Similarly, the manufacturing industry contributes a significant portions of world's total energy and resource consumption. This is also one of the important threat means for the manufacturing of the products, manufacturing of the different things. Most of the power and resources are consumed. The significant portion of that resource and powers are consumed towards create the products. The energy consumption rose 61% between 1971 to 2016 to a level where it is now is responsible for one third of the world's largest energy consumption, according to the data of OECD 2016. Manufacturing is responsible for 36% of the world's largest total CO2 emission. These are the threats, these are the things which are hidden under the curtain. Then now here I want to I want to bring these things in front of you people so that you can understand the importance of the green manufacturing. Okay, so this is the history of the manufacturing, how manufacturing is evolved during last period of the times, 100, I should say the 100 and 200 years last. How the manufacturing in 70s industrial revolution came, words people thought about to start the making the product. Similarly, as the time has lapsed, then the steam engine came into the existence. Then manufacturing has been taken as a wealth means is considered as a significant contributor to create a wealth nation. Then in 1919 interchangeable parts are introduced. In this way manufacturing is evolved. And if we'll go for the 1970, then lean, JIT, TQM concepts are have been had been launched. And 2010, now in 2020, globalization and outsourcing, green revolution. So this is the means this is the path of the manufacturing history. By this picture, you may understand properly how the name of the industry 1.40, 2.2, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Now, these times you must have seen and you must have heard about that. The means the people are always talking about the industry 4.0. Then now one by one we'll discuss. This means the that period, that era of the 1700s had been called as industry 1.0, and industry 2.0 is the era of that started 1870s, late 1870s. Then started in 1969 the manufacturing practices named as industry 3, and then now today we are talking, most of us are talking about industry 4.0. So this is the time of the industry 4.0. It covers what? CPPS, AR and VR, software platforms, green manufacturing, sustainable manufacturing, artificial intelligence, big data, analytics should be integrated with the manufacturing kind of the things. Then these things also already we have discussed. And now I'm not going to detail in discussion of this basics of the productions. We discuss about these things. And production terminologies you might have gone through in the last semester. Then I should think that we should not give too much emphasis and time to discuss this important